Starting off the morning with a car show. On to the next activity for the day. Haircut. I get my haircut, but then I remember how hungry I was. So after I got done eating, I remembered that my truck was all the way across campus and I'm having to walk to get it, and it's taken forever. Ugh. So this is my hair now. Yeah, I completely changed. There was hair everywhere. I had to go to 4 different barber shops to find one that had time to cut my hair. But the one that I found did a really good job. I got my laptop. Ran out to the room to get my laptop. Now I'm headed to the library to do some homework. And then after that, who knows? Because it's Saturday. After the library, I'm probably going to hang out with Mark and then film tonight's cooking show. Or Tuesday's cooking show, not tonight. It's going to film it tonight. And it'll be up on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. And then go to sleep because I'm already tired. It's only 4 o'clock and I'm tired. College life. Woo!